Hey everyone, and welcome to my Rubik's Cube tutorials. In this tutorial, we will be learning about Rubik's Cube notation. So you may be wondering, what is notation and what is it used for? Well, notation is the special naming convention that is used for different moves. We use the notation to learn different moves and algorithms in order to solve the cube. These moves are based on the position that you are holding the cube. As a beginner, you usually want to hold the cube in a way where one side is facing directly toward you. As you start to get faster and use finger tricks, you will want to hold your Rubik's Cube in a 45-degree angle between the top and the front side. Now, when you're holding the cube, all the different sides have their own name. The front side is called F, the right side is R, the left side is L, the top side is U for up, the bottom side is D for down, and the back side is B. So, how do you do moves? Well, a move is a 90-degree clockwise rotation on a certain side. The side depends on what letter you are given. For example, if someone tells you to do F, you turn the front side 90 degrees clockwise, like this. For other sides, imagine that side is the front and do a 90 degrees clockwise turn. For example, R means turn the right side 90 degrees clockwise, like this. And U means turn the top side 90 degree clockwise, like this. And a quick key reminder, when you do these moves, the cube does not rotate, only one side rotates. So you may be wondering, how do you turn a side counterclockwise? Well, we have a symbol for that, and it's called prime, which looks like an apostrophe. For example, F prime is turning the front face 90 degrees counterclockwise, and D prime is turning the bottom face 90 degrees counterclockwise. Finally, what if we wanted to do two turns at once? For that, we add a 2 at the end of the letter. For example, F2 means two 90 degrees turns, a total of 180 degrees. If you want to do another F2, you can do it the other way. This means that you can turn it twice clockwise or counterclockwise. Both do the same thing. For example, U2 can be clockwise, and U2 can also be counterclockwise. Next up is the slice turns. The most common slice turn is M, where the middle slice goes down from top to bottom. M prime is pushing the middle slice from behind, like that. And M2 is usually just two M primes. 1, 2. The uncommon slices are E and S. E is like the word equator, and it goes from left to right, like this. E prime is right to left, like that. S means standing layer, and it is clockwise from the front of the cube, like that. S prime is counterclockwise. Another thing that you might see are double turns or wide turns. Double turns look like lowercase letters, and they simply mean the same as if they were uppercase, except you have to turn 2 layers instead of 1. Sometimes you might see these as an uppercase letter with a W at the end, standing for wide. For example, this is little r, or r wide, and this is little r prime. And little u looks like this, and little u prime looks like that. One more thing you might see are cube reorientation moves. The 3 different moves are X, Y, and Z. X means rotate the entire cube on R, like this. It is like doing an R move without actually holding the other 2 layers. Y means rotate the entire cube on U, like this. And finally, Z means rotate the entire cube on F, like that. Naturally, X prime, Y prime, and Z prime mean rotating the cube in the opposite direction. One last thing that you might see in cubing notation is parentheses, but don't let these confuse you. They don't mean anything. For example, there's this one common algorithm that looks like this. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. The parentheses are here to show you that the four moves, RU, R prime, U prime, are a very common set of moves. If I do this algorithm again, you can kind of see the RU, R prime, U prime is like one move since you can do it really fast. So that's why it's put in parentheses. Alright, that's it for this video on cubing notation. In the next video, we'll be talking about the first step in solving a Rubik's Cube, how to make the daisy. So be sure to check that out. If you found this video interesting or learned something, click the like button and leave a comment. If you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button. Goodbye for now.